You're going to want to watch this. Did you see that? Did you see that lightning in the background? Okay, watch it in slow motion. This is crazy because suddenly when it hits, watch this. Boom. As a matter of fact, we didn't realize it was that bad. Let's watch it in regular speed again, okay? So here we go. Boom. Saw that. Pretty incredible. Watch it one more time. Boom. There it was again. Okay, I'm going to stop it for you this time. Let's watch it in slow motion one more time here in just a second. Boom. There it is. Look at how crazy it was. So what happened was when we filmed it live, had no idea. I knew it was bright, knew it was strong, didn't know that happened. And then some people behind me were like, hey, was that blue? And that's when I was like, oh, I don't know. So I looked at the footage when I watched it at regular speed. I knew it was bright. But when I slowed it down, took just a second to look at it more at frame by frame, that's when I realized we caught this.
Right there.
Yeah. Why do your fingers open? They're gonna walk right through the middle. Just wait a second. Guys, has this ever happened to you? You're in a quick hurry, you're on your phone, you dart into the bathroom somewhere, and when you walk in, you're like, oh, I hope there's urinals in here, because I have no idea if that sign said men's room or ladies' room. Sorry, ladies.